Look, I can't even still really paddle brush through it. What's up, it's Here LaFay. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I finally straightened my hair in the States after 3 months of being in South Africa. But what makes this straightening my hair a little bit different is that I didn't have my blow dryer because my sister decided she wanted to take it. So shout out to you. You're the real MVP. But I also had a similar experience in Cape Town where I didn't have a blow dryer as well. So while I was there, I was able to straighten my hair without a blow dryer. And I'll have that video linked if you want to see the results of that. This time around, I would say it didn't go as smoothly as it did in Cape Town. And I don't think it was as healthy for my hair not to have blown it out before I ran my flat iron through it. However, we made it through. I had a shoot actually that I needed my hair straightened for, so I kind of just had to go with the flow. But I did start the footage off when I started conditioning my hair and all the way down to the straightening process. For washing my hair, I used the Pantene Repair and Protect shampoo because this is literally all that I had. I also had a little bit of the shampoo left from my keratin treatment, so I ended up using the shampoo because I had just taken my hair out of braids and I still had a bunch of residue in my hair. So I wanted to make sure it got clean, and I wasn't sure if the Pantene was going to get it clean enough. I am definitely going to do another keratin treatment this year, so make sure to stay tuned and hit the subscribe button if you want to see updates on that. And then to condition my hair, this is literally all I had in my cabinet. So this is the Suave Nourishing Conditioner, and I initially had bought this a few months ago just to help with detangling my hair after protective style, but I did do a steam treatment, so this actually paired well with that. Yeah, let's just get into the clip where I have my hair all lathered up in conditioner. This is my hair all lathered up in the conditioner, so I'm gonna set up my steamer now and sit under it for 20 minutes. Here's my steamer disassembled. Literally the best thing I could have ever invested in as a heat trained hair natural. I'm driving myself crazy because I'm missing the little cup that goes in here. I cannot find it. My building has a steam room, so I'm gonna go there instead, but I will link this one down below. It steams your hair, and also you can use it as a face steamer. Again, best thing you could ever invest in. It'll clean your strands and just make it really, really shiny and bouncy and healthy. Now I'm going to rinse out my hair, but with cold water. Alright, it's the next morning and I have my hair in like these plaits because I had to air dry my hair because somebody decided to take my blow dryer. So I'm going to take these crazy braids down and brush it out to just help to stretch out my hair a little bit, and then we're going to start flat ironing in small sections. I'm going to put the teeniest drop of this BioSilk Therapy all over my hair as a heat protectant and help my hair smell bougie. done. I got a nice shine, but it took forever for me to flat iron this all out, and my hair is still not silky smooth, and I felt like I had to aggressively paddle brush through the hair in order to get it straight. Look, I can't even still really paddle brush through it. Very frustrating, but I am getting a protective style tomorrow, so this style will just take me through today. It would have been way healthier on my hair if I would have been able to blow dry it first. I will say I'm very happy about this shine, and it definitely came from the steam treatment, so make sure you get a steamer if you don't have one, and then the BioSilk also helps as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next one.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.